us. Now viewers, it's time to shift our focus to in fact more breaking developments that we are tracking coming up straight from the national capital, where Delhi Transport Minister and AAP leader Kailash Gehlot has resigned from primary membership of the Aam Aadmi Party, and he has written to the party national convener Arvind Kejriwal. The contents of the letter read that there are many embarrassing and awkward controversies like the Sheesh Mahal, which are now making everyone doubt whether we still believe in being the Aam Aadmi Party, Aam Aadmi. It is now obvious that the real progress for Delhi cannot happen if the Delhi government spends majority of its time fighting with the centre. I find myself left with no option but to step away from the Aam Aadmi Party. Hence, I resign from the primary membership of the Aam Aadmi Party, unquote. All right, viewers, as you can see in the letter that has been sent to the national convener of the Aam Aadmi Party, the letter reads, and the contents in fact say that the reasons cited here in the resignation letter speak of the corruption and the kind of activities that the Aam Aadmi Party has in fact conducted, with controversies and focus on the controversies of Sheesh Mahal, while the embarrassment accompanied with such controversies in the name of the Aam Aadmi. Another line that I would like to read out from this very resignation letter that has just come right now. It is a big jolt for the Aam Aadmi Party viewers, where Kailash Gehlot has also written, and I quote, "I had started my political journey with the commitment to serve the people of Delhi, and I want to continue doing that, which is why I find myself with no option but to step away from the Aam Aadmi Party." He has in fact also mentioned the contents of and the instance of the Yamuna river, and saying that the many promises have been left unfulfilled for the people of Delhi. Now viewers, Delhi Chief Minister Atashi has also accepted Kailash Gehlot's resignation. Several ED and income tax cases were pending against him, the claim comes from the Aam Aadmi Party sources. Aam Aadmi Party sources also allege that multiple ED and income tax raid had been conducted at Kailash Gehlot's premises. He had no option but to join BJP, is what the Aam Aadmi Party is maintaining its stand right now. The sources, if we have to believe, say that this is the BJP's dirty conspiracy. They want to win Delhi elections using ED and CBI as tools. All right, viewers, to join for more details, in fact, is my colleague Arzu Seth. Arzu, this is in fact a big breaking that we are learning from the national capital, a big jolt coming to the Aam Aadmi Party, where Kailash Gehlot, who has been a pivotal member in the Aam Aadmi Party and from the very starting been a very close aide of Manish Sisodia as well, has now submitted his resignation. And while tendering the resignation, he has made some revelations saying that how the commitment that was unfulfilled by the Aam Aadmi Party for the people of Delhi has made him take this decision. Share more details.
Well, yes, Simran, we can see ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections, the Kailash Gehlot has resigned from the Aam Aadmi Party, and this is a big blow, we can say. And in his resignation also, Gehlot mentioned a lot of things, where firstly he mentioned about the cleaning of the Yamuna river, which Aam Aadmi Party has promised but have not even reached close to it. And he also said that there are many embarrassing and awkward controversies, like the controversy regarding the CM house, which he mentioned that everyone doubt whether we still believe in being the Aam Aadmi. Also, another painful point has been the fact that instead of fighting for people's right, we have increasingly being fighting for our own political agenda. This is what the Kailash Gehlot has mentioned in his letter. Also, he mentioned about the fight that continuously we see between the Delhi government and LG, we can say between the Delhi government and the central government. So these all things that the Kailash Gehlot has mentioned in his letter, where we see, the reaction has also come from the Aam Aadmi Party, where Delhi CM Atishi has accepted the resignation of the Kailash Gehlot, and this is a big development that has come, that after the resignation of the Kailash Gehlot, just few minutes after that, the Atishi, Delhi's chief minister, has accepted the Kailash Gehlot resignation, and also party sources are telling us that there were various pending cases of ED against the Kailash Gehlot. The ED raids were held at the Kailash Gehlot's house, and due to which he has left no other option to join rather than join Bharatiya Janata Party. So before any statement of joining Bharatiya Janata Party from the Kailash Gehlot, that statement is we are getting to know from the sources from Aam Aadmi Party that the Kailash Gehlot might also join Bharatiya Janata Party. So this is the big development that has come, but a big blow, we can say, to the Aam Aadmi Party, as the big and senior leader has now resigned from the party. Yes, Simran.
All right, Azu, of course, most certainly, this is in fact a big setback for the Aam Aadmi Party, which claims to have been riding on the promises of a corrupt-free and the interest of the Aam Aadmi Party. But what remains to be seen is how exactly formally the statements come forward. As far as the resignation is concerned, now viewers, shifting our focus to other developments.